Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How did we come into the world? How did we come into the earth? If you want to know the history of it, you have to go to the history of Adam alayhi salam. So let's start. At the first time, our Creator Allah shared with the angels. He would like to make a man who will prostrate our Creator Allah. Whenever Allah shared it with the angels, at that time the angels told Allah, you shouldn't create the man. They will torture each other as well as they will punish each other together. Whenever they told it Allah, our Creator Allah told them, you don't know what I know. After a few days, Allah create Adam alayhi salam, and then Allah brought Adam alayhi salam in front of the angels, and then Allah told them to prostrate him immediately. Whenever they listen it from our Creator Allah, they also prostrate him together without devils. At that time Allah noticed, Allah told the devil, why don't you prostrate him? Then the devil told Allah, you made me with the fire as well as you also made him with the soil, so my position is higher than him. Whenever Allah listened it from the devil, Allah agreed with him, and then Allah told him, you became kafir at this moment. At that time, whenever he listened it, the devil told Allah, I will see your new man Adam alayhi salam, how he stay at the Jannah. At that time, Allah told Adam alayhi salam, at this moment I will send you the paradise, but you have to be concerned yourself. You won't eat the fruit of that tree because it is undivine fruits. Then the Adam alayhi salam told our Creator Allah, okay, I won't eat the fruit of that tree. Whenever Adam alayhi salam was living in the paradise, after long time he felt alone. Then Allah understood it, and Allah created Hawa alayhi salam for the company of Adam alayhi salam. And then they were living together in the paradise. After a few days, suddenly the devil appeared in front of them and he was crying in front of the Adam alayhi salam. Then Adam alayhi salam as well as Hawa alayhi salam asked him, why are you crying? The devil replied them, if you don't eat the fruit of this tree, Allah will leave me from this paradise. Whenever he listened it, Adam alayhi salam as well as Hawa alayhi salam decided to eat the fruit of this tree, and they went near that tree as well as they also eat the fruit of that tree. After eating, their clothes were opening gradually. And then they told our Creator, oh my dear Creator, what is happening with them? Our clothes were opening gradually. Then Allah told them, at that time I concerned you not to eat the fruit of that tree. Why did you eat the fruit of that tree? Then they told about their history, about the acting of the devil. At that time they also understood it was the trap for leaving them from the Jannah, from the paradise. Then Allah told them, at this moment I have nothing to do. You have to leave from the paradise because your physical body is nasty. That Allah sent into the world. In this way we came into the world. So it is the history of the mankind. How did we become into the world? So thank you so much for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.